friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking stuffed French bread pizza in the air fryer. So to cook this pizza in the air fryer, first I'm going to preheat it. And if you've been watching my videos, you know that I never preheat the air fryer, so this is an exception. I'm going to preheat it so the bottom cooks more evenly and gets brown. So I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to set the time to 4 minutes. And this is just to preheat. And once it preheats, we're going to put the French bread pizza in the air fryer and cook it. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 370 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to set the time to 8 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this French bread pizza. It looks amazing, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Now, if you want to make sure it's fully cooked inside and heated through, just check the internal temperature. It should be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, it's fully cooked. So if yours is still cold inside, just put it back in the air fryer for a few more minutes. So let's take it out of the air fryer. So here, the bottom is nicely browned, and top the cheese is melted but not burnt, so it's perfectly cooked. And now let's try it. So just cut. See, it's fully cooked inside. Looks amazing. Now let me just try it. Such crispy crust. Let's try it. Delicious, perfectly crispy crust, gooey melted cheese. It's hot, so perfect. You will love it. Air fryer is perfect for cooking frozen stuffed French bread pizza. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!